8 hours ago, Yoko Kanno, the composer for Cowboy Bebop, has just dropped an official extended version of Tank. Looks to be like some kind of live-ish performance with a full backup band, Yoko Kanno and the Seatbelts. And yeah. Here's all the info. Here's everybody who's in the thing, who's done all the art. 1998 Bandai Namco Music Live. Oh my god. How to summon generations of anime fans with one song. Yeah. Let's go ahead and watch the extended version of Tank. It's 7 minutes. I might get copyright struck. I don't care. But yeah. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, and they're doing the camera cuts like it's Cowboy Bebop opening. That's so sick. We got Kojima on the upright.
Blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Oh, look at that. Yoko Kanno in the middle just going to ham on the guitar. Oh, it's amazing. Look how happy she is. I love this guy. I love this old guy on the trumpet. And the guy dressed like a Marine on the bongos, or whatever those are. Oh, and the camera works really good too. So badass. You know, I don't know if I've ever heard like a live version of Tank before. Oh, hit that thing, sax man. Oh, they give him a color gradient. Oh, hell yeah. Amazing. That guy is straight up like Django One Piece Marines. Why is he? It's so funny. Look how happy she looks when she's just jamming out. She's just feeling the music, and it's amazing. Oh my god, this guy is going nuts. We gotta get Yoko Kanno on like a punk stage. I want to see her rocking out in front of a mosh pit with a leg up on a speaker, you know what I'm saying? Like, she just has that vibe. Oh, the vocals? Oh my god, the sub vocals. Where are we going? Where are we going? Ooh. Oh yeah, you play that air guitar. Fabulous. 2, 1, this jam. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, it's amazing. I really like that the focus isn't entirely on Yoko Kanno, but also everybody else in the space. And then in like every shot you can just see Yoko Kanno stealing the show anyway in the background. And it's so good. Oh! Hell yeah. It's so good. It's so classic. And then just the squealing at the end. Oh, look at him, he's cheesing. I am too. Hell yeah. Look at him, he's like, I can't believe we just did that. Oh, amazing. Phenomenal. I don't think I've ever heard that live. Sick. Very cool. Very, very cool.